What up? Never in a million years did I think we'd be in bed together. But hey, here we are. So let's get it cracking. So today I got a special unboxing for y'all. A couple things. 1, 2, 3. So now that we're getting into the video, I'm about to bust open these boxes and show y'all what I got. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you, eBay. Yes, I'm old school. I still use eBay. And thank you, Dick's Sporting Goods, for supplying me with these pickups. So the first thing we're gonna crack open today is from Amazon. That's not gonna work. Screwdriver. Uh-oh. Trying to be quick with it. Had to re-up and get some Atomic Ormus. If you don't know what it is, look it up on YouTube. But basically, I take this stuff and what it does, decalcifies the pineal gland, opens up that third eye, and I'm telling you, this stuff goes crazy. Check it out on Amazon, check it out on YouTube. Okay, so just another plug. It's not in the unboxing because I opened it yesterday. I had to take it before going to sleep. But you need to hop off of melatonin. Cut it. Get off of melatonin and get you some magnesium. If you guys have any questions about why, DM me, message me. But magnesium helps with sleep, helps you to stay asleep. It helps you to get better, deeper sleep. You're going to feel more rested with less sleep. Tap in if you need magnesium, and there's a certain type that you need. Can't remember it off the top of my head, so tap in with me if you're interested. Matter of fact, and I will go ahead and type in exactly what type of magnesium you need. I got you. Okay, so we had to change the angle because these next two pickups are fire. Quite literally, some new Jordan heat. And yeah, I'm very excited about them, so let's get into it. Yes. Jump in. Let's do it. Oh my. Hello. Yeah, just be lucky I don't play football anymore, because if I was rocking these cleats, yeah, I would kill the game. And if y'all know me, I did kill the game. So we got some Jordan 1 lows with the studs on the bottom. These are cleats. I picked up a lot of pairs. I got a lot of pairs of cleats coming in. So if y'all need some, tap in with your boy. I'm getting back into this selling business. I got my eBay account, I got my Instagram. So these fire. Just know, like I said, if I was still playing, I'd be keeping these, because the crispiness, the details, they fire. Heaters. Okay, so I had to change up the lighting because this next pair is the main event. It's been a minute since I finally got these. Let's just say that. I finally got these in the collection. They've been like on my top list for a few years now, and now I secured them. So let's check them out. So if you're a sneakerhead, you already gonna know based off the box. Yes, they're official. Ooh, baby. I'm juiced. First peek. Up come the top. Yes, they're so crispy. Oh man. Bow. So yeah, just look at the way they sit in this box. So beautiful, like, oh my It's a fresh pair, y'all. I'm so juiced. No, I'm not gonna go on my bed. Disgusting. Which one do y'all like better? The cleats, there they go. They're hard, but I mean, dude, my dude, they knock these out the park. These go so crazy. I can't wait to rock these. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Quick little unboxing. I got a new video coming your way. It's gonna be about glycinate, how to get things like this that you really want without breaking the bank, how to earn and invest your money back into yourself so it flows with abundance. You gotta have that mindset of an abundance mindset. It's key, it's critical, it's crucial, whatever you want to call it. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned for that next one. There's gonna be a lot of knowledge. It's gonna be an explosion of knowledge. So thank y'all. Stay tuned. 247 ATP. Check it out. That's 24 energy. That's me, baby. I'm coming with the energy daily. Coming with the videos daily. Stay tuned for more content. One love. Love y'all. I did want to say one last thing about this Ormus, because I didn't really pay too much attention to it. Atomic Ormus. Shout out to Morpheus. You know who you are, brother. Thank you for putting me onto this, because this stuff is a game changer. Like, y'all just need to try it, see the reviews, and last plug. Atomic Ormus. Thank you, Morpheus.